Hi everybody, welcome back to our frugal kitchen where we make cheap and cheerful dishes every day just to stretch our food budget as we're on baby step 2 of our debt-free journey. Today's simple side dish is beef rice-a-roni, made a little bit more convenient by using my Instant Pot. So let's get started by plugging in our Instant Pot and placing 4 tablespoons of butter into the Instant Pot on Sauté mode. And after about 20 seconds or so, I add in 2 boxes of the beef rice-a-roni and I give that a stir. And I cook it for around about 3 to 4 minutes, just watching for the first signs that the rice-a-roni is catching a golden brown sort of a colour, toasting very slightly. And then it's time to switch sauté mode off. And then I added 1 beef stock cube into my 3 cups of cold water, and I'm pouring that directly into the rice now. And then you're going to stir it because you just don't want anything stuck to the bottom or the sides. And then the packets of seasoning that came with your rice-a-roni, you're going to pop that in as well. And then we need to give it everything a stir one more time. And now it's time to put your lid on, check that it's at sealing, not venting, so it comes to pressure. And this recipe is 5 minutes on high pressure. And then you need to make sure you press the keep warm function off and just start. And when your pot alarms to say that it's finished, it'll start counting down, and you want to do a quick release of the pressure. Take the lid off and fluff your rice up. If you don't like it as moist as we do, you can put the lid back on for around 5 minutes and then fluff up again, and that should give you a slightly drier rice, but this is how my family likes it. Thank you so much for joining me again in the kitchen. Saving every penny we can making food at home is so much easier when we share it with friends. Thank you. Bye.